RPA Trucking and Survival. What's up, you guys? How you all doing? Back at it again with another video here for you. And I just want to sit back, have a beer with you guys. It's my aloe vera plant right there. And talk to you. Because you're feeling a little discouraged. You're feeling like trucking ain't for you. You're feeling like you're not being paid for being out on that road, for being away from your wife, your kids, your mom, your dad. Look it. If you can drive and you love driving, do not give up what you love doing. If driving ain't for you and you don't like being out on that road and you don't like seeing new things, then don't do it. You can always go to the local side, of course, but you're not going to get paid unless you have experience. And 1 year of experience is what you need to make it happen. 1 year of experience is going to be what makes you or breaks you. As I've said in other videos, defending that CDL is priority. That is the number one thing that you have to do, is protect that CDL of yours. Do not get tickets. Do not get citations. Do not hit anything. Nothing. Use that Smith system to the max. Never stop using that thing. Never get comfortable, never get cocky, because I do it. Hey, we're all guilty of it, man. We feel badass, especially when we're in our truck and, you know, there's a pretty girl or whatever next to us and they look at us and they like what they see us doing. They want us to pull that horn and whatnot. Hey. That is not your focus, okay? Your focus is the road. Now you're feeling discouraged, I understand. I only put in 2 months of service with Knight Transportation, and then I came over to JB Hunt, and I'm making great money. 8 months total experience, and I am now a local driver, grossing anywhere from $1,270 to $1,450. Local, home every day, only working anywhere from 8 to 11 hours a day, 12 hours a day. Very rare do I actually have to put in 12 hours. This past couple of weeks, it's been more like 11 hours. The past month and a half local, before 2 weeks ago, I was looking at 8 hours, 9 hours. You know, it depends. It depends. But you're going home every day and you get to start pretty much when you want to start. If you're tired and you want to start a little later in that day, you can. JB Hunt is flexible. Guys, you got to be ambitious. You got to attack it. You got to get it. You have to research. I'm not going to tell you what to do, but I know exactly how I am going to attack this business, and I know exactly how I am going to continue to succeed in this business. When I started here when I started at Knight Transportation, before I applied and all that, I looked at my wife, I looked at my woman, and I said, I'm going to make this happen. I'm going to get into a good company within 3 months. You watch. And here I am. I am very proud of myself for that. It wasn't easy. Like I said, being ambitious and protecting that CDL, that is the secret to this business. Within the next couple of years, I'm going to start making 6 figures indefinitely. That is the next thing that I say I am going to do. And by God, when I say I'm going to do something, I'm going to do it. All right, so this channel, it's going to be a long journey, and it's going to be entertaining. And there's going to be some disappointments, and there's going to be some celebration, and there's going to be struggle. But that's life. Humans were made to struggle. And if you're feeling discouraged right now and you only have months of experience, hang in there. As soon as you hit your 1 year, hey man, it's all downhill from there. It's uphill right now in, experience wise. But even after you get that experience, okay, continuing to defend that CDL is your goal, your priority, and your main objective. In becoming successful, that is your key. That is the 6th key to your Smith system, defending your CDL. So anyway, I'm not gonna make this video too long. I want you guys to continue to hang in there. Be ambitious, whether you're at Knight, Martin, Swift, whatever starter company you're at, okay? I'm telling you, you are not going to make money staying there. You need to move on. Put in your applications and move on, okay? Take my advice. Coming from somebody that's already been through it, yeah, I'm only 8 months in, but hey, I'm making money now, okay? It works. Be ambitious. Don't move around in a sense where you're on your 3rd company within the first year. Try to keep it, be very, very tactical. The only company I can recommend to you is JB Hunt, because it's the only place I've been is JB Hunt and Knight Transportation. So come to JB Hunt. Information is in the description box below. Make it your goal to get here. RPA Trucking and Survival. All you truckers out there, stay safe. See you on the road.